Hi, welcome to Mrs. Always Right Cooks, and I'm Pooja Desai. Today we're going to make a microwave fudge. All you need to do is put the ingredients in a bowl and microwave it. I'm not much of a baker, so this is probably the only amount of dessert making I can do. So out here I have about 3 cups of chocolate chips. We take a bar of butter, a stick, and we put the whole thing. This should be unsalted. We put the whole thing in. You could chop it up to make it more even. Stir it in so that it. And we're going to put this in for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 1 minute and 30 seconds and I'm feeling impatient, so I'm just going to have a look. So the butter seems to have melted. I could pop it in for just 30 more seconds. Back to contemplating life. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the microwave now. Looks rich. I'm going to add vanilla essence. Vanilla essence is really strong, so we're now going to add in some chopped walnuts. I have more than a cup here, so I'm just going to put in a cup. I've chopped them. You could use any kind of nut. And now the glorious addition of a whole tin of condensed milk. I just like pouring it in slow motion because this is my favorite part. A whole tin. Calories, calories, calories. Right, we just put this to the side for a second as we prepare for our tin. Now, I have lined it with some tin foil. You could use parchment paper, or you could just use a regular pan and spray some cooking spray on it. I, however, am very messy, so choose to do it in the most unglamorous form so that I don't have to deal with the mess later on. So now I pour the chocolate. Put this in your fridge for 2 or 3 hours, not your freezer, and enjoy. Okay, so we have our fudge. I've kept it out from the refrigerator for about an hour just so that it can soften. And take a really sharp knife and cut it into squares. Now I've lined up some of these pretty boxes with some parchment paper. I'm going to, this makes for a great giveaway gift. And put this in. We can do about 4 in this one. So we have a nice box of 4 and we're going to cover this up and we can give this away now. So this was our walnut vanilla fudge, microwavable, easy peasy in 3 minutes flat.